About that. And then here, just marking out a few points that need measuring, okay? It's very important that I lay it out all really well. So. This already is 19. And hold on, since this is a big meridian, we'll stick with dark green. Okay, we just use this. I feel like I have no clue what they call this in English. I know in Dutch this is called geodriehoek. So let me use this flexible geodriehoek. I think I'll just mark it in the center of your face there. Just 90 centimeters. Okay. Oh, actually, since we're here anyway, let's do the horizontal meridian. Like this. It's more difficult on our face, of course, but it being really, here. Like so. measures around 20. Let's mark it here. Good. Now let's see. Do need to do some diagonals, obviously. $21. Let's do red, maybe. Yeah, let's do red. So where did we measure? Here, and we went here, and we just went through here, and then we came out there. Let's see, I think this ruler will be a little bit more suited. This, and then like so, and just continually curve like that. And we measured 20. I'm not going to bother to put in centimeters. I think we've got that. But we need to check that with the other diagonal folds. This on that side should be about here, through this point, that point, and this bit. Oh, we didn't mark it. Great. Let's see. Okay. Just get this in place like this. Following the curve. Okay. Okay, now we grab this one again. This is a 22. Okay. Try this again, and that's definitely a 21. How odd. Going with some blue, maybe? Yeah, let's do some blue. Everybody likes blue. Now we just need to do 1 centimeter of this. Just hold it like that. Mark out some very critical points. Connect the dots and measure the difference. It's nice and in the middle there. That is a difference. That's a 4.5, and that side is just a 4. So 0.5. Okay, then that's a 4. That's the 1. So where did the 0.5 go? Should I use Pythagoras? I just might. Just connect this and this to make that perfect triangle. Just to be clear, I did math in Flemish, so I have no idea how to say this in English, but basically Pythagoras' law is that a to the second plus b to the second equals c to the second. So we already have our a's. Vertical line is 4. I just use your jaw to do the math. So a to the second plus b to the second equals c to the second. So for the left side, right still, to the second plus 4 to the second should equal c to the second. What is 4.5 to the second? Let me see. 4.5 to the second is 20.25 plus 16. That equals c to the second. We gotta carry it around, and this is where my math kind of stops. So oh no, I remember. Okay, so we need to take the root of 36.25, and that is, just grab my calculator again. So we need to take the root. Where's my normal root? I can't find my root. Oh, there's my root. Hold on. Okay. The root of 36.25 is 6.02 and then something. So we should have, on this side at least, a 6. Oh, lo and behold, we have a 6. for this one. I should probably have done this math on that side and switched it around. No matter, just point an arrow, because that's how math works, right? We use arrows. So in this case, we have a to the second plus b to the second equals c to the second. So we have 4 to the second plus 4 to the second, that equals c to the second. We've got 16 plus 16, and then the root of 32, and that should be the length there. Yet again, I'm afraid I'll have to, I don't know the root of 32 by heart. 5.65. So let's see, this should be 5.65, and lo and behold, it actually is 5.5. You can work with that. Okay, let's see, we need some measurements overall there. Let's go in with a fuchsia pink. Just measure from the corners of your mouth to the utmost point of your chin. Just there. And I want to carry that to this middle point. Just there. Good. So. Let's first connect this here. Try not to colour your teeth. Okay. Good. Go. Then of course, check this, connect this. Okay, that's one. Okay. Now let's measure. Almost 11. This is straight. This is a little, oh, that is 11 on the dot. This is, maybe I'm measuring wrong. 10.5. 10.5. Okay. Okay. Oh, 4, and we have almost a 4. 3.8 and 4. trigonometry is not equal at all. On one side you have a 2.2 centimeters, and on the other side a 2.5. What I want to check next, I want to get some, let's do a yellow. Let's do a yellow. And we grab this one. Let's see, we had the corner right there, connected with the corner of your mouth, and do the same thing on that side. Just get this at the right angle. Like this. Like this. Actually, can't really see that well. Good enough, let's say. And then just do this corner to that corner. Okay. Trace it a little bit better because you can't really see the yellow on your face. Okay. Now lengthwise, I'm wondering if it'll be the same. How am I even holding this thing? I don't usually do math. I do prefer it this way, let's just count backwards. So that is 30, and that is 20, so 30 minus 20 is 10. That I know. That is 11. The plot thickens. Plot thickens. Let me just see. I'll need some purple. No, just a light green. So we are missing half a centimeter there. We have gained 1 centimeter there. Which means that your face is off by, we have x minus y equals the root of z in this case, meaning we have 4.5 minus, oh no, wait, which means bracket, we have bracket 4.5 minus 4 minus bracket 11 minus 10, and we need to take the root of all of that, meaning we have 1.5 minus 1 on the root of that, can't do the root of something that is negative. I'm afraid we're in a bit of a pickle there. I'm trying to measure the amount of millimeters or centimeters that your face is off symmetrically. It's going to be that, but I just need to go and comb my dad